Hey there, ladies and gents. So here comes another Taste Test Wednesday. I found another odd Kit Kat. I found the blueberry muffin Kit Kat. And America is starting to come out with different Kit Kats just like Japan has. Japan has a whole bunch of different odd flavors, and yeah, this one here is blueberry muffin. So I wonder if it's going to be yum or yuck. What do you think?
I don't know. We'll find out, huh? Show your package and everything.
First off, it does smell like a blueberry muffin. Kind of tastes like that. Wasn't there a multi-mill cereal that had a blueberry?
Oh, I hope not. No, I don't know.
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad. Blueberries are always a hard flavor to make. You know,
Yeah, not make fake.
No, to not be like blueberries. Oh, yum. Fresh blueberries. So, yeah.
It doesn't taste like candles, what I'm thinking.
Right.
You know, sometimes there's like blueberry candles and it just smells like blueberries, tastes like wax, you know?
Yeah. No, that was fun. It was good.
Yeah, that was really tasty. Now, I was not able to find the individual, like, king size or whatnot, so I have a whole string of them. So, yeah, they're pretty tasty. I would definitely say, if you like blueberries, go get them. Anyway, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.